that I should make
Huh?
for a fun cover. Oh, I'm live.
You got one more time, please.
I'm live.
Okay.
I'm live. Happy Tuesday evening, everybody. I hope y'all had a good day today. My day was good. As I mentioned in the previous live, I had PT and we hired a new aide today named Marvin, so that should be cool. My PT showed him how to help me with my exercises. So I do exercise every day. He knows what needs to be done. Plus it's a he, young, strong dude, so he can help with transferring in and out of the chair and around, so I'm very hopeful. I was mostly a day of rest. Hung out. My bandmate from my band Easy Peezy, shout out to Graham, sent me some music on Saturday. Today, I wrote the first verse and chorus to a song right now called About Face. About change and taking control of that kind of stuff. It's a nice funky groove. So I'll finish that up, later this week as I, listen to it and play the lyrics right in my head. This evening, Rekeya came by and walked Fawkes. That was lovely. Another work all day, got some work done. And I had some more moshe for dinner, a different dish. Yesterday I had party chicken. Today it was, what's the name of it, babe? My dinner. Marvin. It was like ground beef wrapped inside a potato with like a tomato sauce and some rice. It was delicious. And definitely order again. Shout out to Moshe Q for having delicious food. So yeah, we just chilled. Spent the day. Talked to folks, talked to my mom on the phone. I'm about to get a tinge unit for my arm to help with the spasm. As you can see, it's not open that much anymore. So we're going to put tinge unit on it to see if that helps. And tomorrow's going to be a good day. But like I promised, oh shit. I left the cards down below. Hang on a second. I'm going to try to put you on my stand. Ooh. I'm all closed up. Oh. I don't know how I did that. Oh, there we go. Alright, hang on a second. Enjoy the ceiling. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Blah 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 blah. Sing a bing a bing. Sing a bing hole. Blah. Blah blah blah. Fizzle. Hi, Daddy Booty Shot. I'm back. Excuse my friend. I gotta try to set the phone down So I can read the card. Here we go. There we go. Okay. This is again called Tonight by Caitlin B. And let's see what tonight's question is. How do you like to receive affection? Naked. I like affection several ways. I love hugs. Hugs and kisses are wonderful. I like soft touches and loving words. Cute glances and being cute and coy with each other. I like that. But you know, naked's not bad either. That's how I like to receive affection. How do you like to receive affection? Put your answer in the comments below. And let me know how you like to receive affection. Let's see how it matches. So every night I'll read one of those cards. One of these days I might go through and separate them. Hey Amy, hugs back. Because some of those cards are like specifically for your partner. And other cards like that one kind of in general. So I'll pull out the cards that are for a partner. Oh, that's great, Amy. I love that. Yeah, I love holding hands and like road trips are cool. When you're driving and next to you and you can put your hand on the leg or thigh and listen to music or enjoy the scenery. That's pretty awesome. Or after the road trip, you get to your destination and you're both tired, so you get into the room wherever you went to and kind of just crash together. That's pretty cool as well. I also like flying next to each other and her put her head on mine and lean on one another. I like that romance stuff. I think it's pretty cool. So every night, I'll read a card from Tonight by Caitlin B. And we'll see where the journey takes us. I know that has some very personal cards. I make it very personal, very detailed, and very honest. But no matter what the question is, I'll answer it fully and honestly. No matter the question. Well, it's been lovely. I know right now these are kind of short. I'm pretty sure eventually I'll have longer ones. Oh. Contact charting. I love that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Tomorrow, I'll be going live around 10 in the morning, Central Time. Come give me a shame. And I'm going to do that on live. And that's really pretty cool. But in the meantime, and in between time, thank you again for tuning in. Remember to check out my GoFundMe. Like, share, subscribe, all the things. Check out my podcast, Big Sexy Decision Nomad. And in the meantime, safe travels. And always, big sexy recovery. Bye, guys. Still here. Tricked ya. Okay, now I'm leaving. Bye.